Now, Christian, I'm curious about where these figures come from, because if I click on this and then select data, it's like you've just graphed the two. So this is, hang on, if I just look at this, day 1, day 2, okay, the 31 days of August in 2020. I cannot see a moving average calculated here. That's the average. You are demonstrating at the moment that you don't understand moving average, as far as I know. So I really need to see your video. I'm not sure if that. I'll pause for a minute. I want to do it and then come back to you. Now, I think if you watch the video, a moving average. Let's do 5 days, okay? So if I go in here and go equal average of these 5 days, okay, and close it, and then copy that down and stop too short, and I'll explain why in a minute. So if I just use the fill copy to copy that down I whoosh, stop there. The reason I stop there is because if I press F2, do you see I've got everything? And what a moving average does is it shows the underlying trend, because that could jump, these numbers could jump up and down. So that's jumping up. Is that relating back? If these are all going upwards, that might be more worrying. Okay, so I just want to, this time, now how are we going to, yeah, I'm just going to pick these. I think you did the graph right, but it isn't clear to me where you got the second line on the graph because I can't see any data. I wonder if it's hidden. So I'm going to insert chart. So it's that one. Okay, so do you see the way you've got your up, down, up, down? So it does look like it's an upward trend, but then it kind of levels off as you move. So it's not as sharp an increase, so that would kind of indicate something happened. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, why is this August and you did September in your chart? I'm wondering. That's confusing me now. Your poster, oops, your poster is September, and why is this August? So there is my trend graph of moving averages for 2020, and if I look at yours, it's not looking the same. So I don't know what you've done. So I'm not sure what to do with this because you weren't in. However, there are extenuating circumstances, and my mind is changing all the time about assessment, because you learn when you learn. It seems particularly, anyway, let's just see how it goes. Let's see if this means something to you, because do you know what I mean, Christian, that you could be sitting in there every day bored out of your mind learning nothing, but in doing this on your own and coming back to me, even though I'm giving you the feedback, if you can kind of go have a eureka moment and say, oh yeah, I get that, you could try maybe to investigate it a bit more. Try different, so you could try with 3 numbers, you could try with 7 numbers, you could try pick odd numbers. It's just easier, okay, because you can position that in the middle on the graph. I don't know how to explain it better than that, but you can sort of see how this is even, look at how that's woo, up and down, up and down, up and down, but it's really quite, the underlying trend is quite level. Do you know what I mean? So as this is going on, whatever maybe countermeasures are taking place, this is over the summer holidays, what the hell is going on? Do you know what I mean? Why is it up and down like a yo-yo like that? So that's the kind of questioning I was hoping for. But anyway, I'm just going to send it to you because learning is learning. Okay.